Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Firebase Auth for mobile login in React Native. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that you have a React Native project set up. Open your terminal and navigate to your project directory. Install Firebase by running the command npm install Firebase. Once Firebase is installed, open your project in your preferred code editor. Create a new file named firebaseconfig.js in your project's root directory. In firebaseconfig.js, import the necessary Firebase modules. Set up your Firebase configuration object with your project's credentials. Initialize Firebase using the configuration object you just created. Export the initialized Firebase instance from this file. Next, install Firebase authentication by running npm install at React Native Firebase/auth. Import the auth module from React Native Firebase in your component file where you want to implement authentication. Create state variables to handle user input for email and password. Add input fields for email and password in your component's render method. Set up a function to handle user sign-up using createUser with email and password. Inside this function, call the Firebase Auth method and pass the email and password as parameters. Handle successful sign-up by navigating the user to the main application screen. Add error handling for cases where sign-up fails. Create a similar function for handling user login with sign-in with email and password. Call this login function when the user submits their login information. Again, handle successful logins and any potential errors. You may also want to implement a password reset feature. To do this, create a function that uses send password reset email. Prompt the user to enter their email for the password reset. Implement a confirmation message or navigation upon successful email sent for resetting the password. Test your authentication system thoroughly to ensure that it works as intended. Finally, consider applying additional security features like email verification or two-factor authentication if necessary. Your Firebase Auth setup for mobile login in React Native is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.